Hello, aspiring billionaires, and welcome to this life-changing journey. Today, I'm going to share with you the keys to unlocking the incredible potential within you to become a billionaire. Yes, you heard me right, a billionaire. Now, I won't promise you that it will be easy because achieving billionaire status requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But remember, every billionaire started with a dream and a vision. So, let's dive into the steps that can help you pave your path to becoming a billionaire. Step 1. Set a bold vision. The first step towards billionaire success is setting a bold and audacious vision for yourself. Think big. Dream beyond your wildest imagination. Billionaires didn't get where they are by thinking small. They dared to envision greatness and then worked tirelessly to turn that vision into reality. Step 2. Continuous learning. Education is the key to growth and success. Billionaires are voracious learners. They never stop acquiring knowledge. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with the latest trends in your industry. Knowledge is power, and it's your most valuable asset on the journey to billionaire status. Step 3. Embrace failure. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Embrace failure as a valuable learning experience. Many billionaires face setbacks and challenges on their way up. It's your resilience and ability to learn from failures that will set you apart. Step 4. Work hard and smart. Hard work alone isn't enough. You must also work smart. Be strategic in your efforts, prioritize your tasks, and focus on activities that bring the most significant results. Efficiency is the name of the game in the billionaire world. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. You are the sum of the people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and a supportive network that believes in your vision. Seek out those who have achieved what you aspire to and learn from their experiences. Step 6. Take calculated risks. Billionaires are risk takers, but they are not reckless. They take calculated risks, carefully weighing the potential rewards against the potential downsides. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone, but do so with a clear strategy in mind. Step 7. Never give up. The road to billionaire success is long and challenging, but remember that persistence pays off. Never give up on your dreams, even when things get tough. Keep pushing forward, adapt, and keep your vision alive. In conclusion, my friends, becoming a billionaire is not reserved for a select few. It's a journey that anyone can embark upon with the right mindset and determination. Set a bold vision, keep learning, embrace failure, work hard and smart, surround yourself with the right people, take calculated risks, and never, ever give up. Your journey to billionaire status begins right now. Believe in yourself, work relentlessly, and one day you might just find yourself among the world's most successful individuals. Remember, the power to achieve greatness lies within you. Go out there and make it happen. Your billionaire journey starts today. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this message inspiring, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Together, we will conquer our dreams and inspire the world. Be attentive, keep running. Remember, keep hungry for success.